freezing outside. Well, not freezing, but you know it's cold. What are you guys saying? So today I'm doing a few things, hopefully. But one of the things I'm doing is getting my new sub in order. Let me just show you what I got here. So these are just some other goodies that came with the car. But this is the speaker. I got it super cheap. If you just come over to the back, I got some speaker wire. It's quite thin, but I don't know if that's going to be a problem. It's for the ground. So yeah, I did that at work. Yo, peep this. So we were missing a ground connector here. So what I did, I just straight up soldered it into the little tab in there. You can't see anymore because it's just covered in solder. I checked the continuity with the multimeter. So it's all good there. It runs here. I stapled it here. So we got a female piece here, and then the ground will be here. So when this gets tugged on, it'll tug on here, but not on the actual connection in here. Then I also have this second wire here, and this is what I'm going to use to connect the ground. So pretty much got the male and female piece here. I'm going to put it in here, and this part, the spade, will go into the chassis. So that way, when it tugs on the wire, it'll tug on only this part and not actually disconnect the solder that is in there. But yeah, luckily, this is the same sub that the previous owner used, so I should be able to just use all the wires that are already in here. I just need to figure out which one is which. I don't think that should be too bad. I'm not sure. Anyways, we'll see. All right, now that we're in here, I need to turn on the light. There you go. So I hope you guys see a notice in the change of footage. I think it looks cleaner. I feel like I feel like it's moving better. I don't know. But here goes a progress update, and the first time I'm actually talking about the engine and what my plans are with it. So I'm just gonna show you what we got here and what I want to do. So it's a B20B non-VTEC. I already said this, I believe. I just cleaned the tranny. It's all good. I took off the clutch fork, which is under this pile of dirty rags right here, and the bearing for that is under here, I believe. But yeah, I took quite a few things off: intake, exhaust, all the distributor, all the harness, all that's gone. Even the downpipe as well, that was still on there when I got it. A lot of hoses, mounts, a lot of it is off transmission. So now I need to order a new clutch, and this is my plan for the car. This is my plan for the car and for this engine. So I've seen it running and all that, and instead of me trying to, put in a lot of money into a full rebuild of this car, of this engine, I thought, you know what, since it's non-VTEC, it's just like a regular ass motor, really, just twice the size of what I got in there. I think I'm just gonna put it back in there as is. I'm just gonna clean it up, add the new clutch. Oil pan gasket also needs to be done, and on top of that, I'm probably gonna get maybe a new intake manifold or exhaust manifold. I do have the welder, so that's also something. Speaking of which, the welder I also need to talk about. It's right here. It's a flux core arc welder. It's not the smoothest thing in the world. Where's my piece of steel? I swear I just seen it. What the fuck? Low key, I actually cannot find my... Oh, here it is. Holy shit. Okay, so beware. Welds are a little shady, and there's a ton of splatter, and none of these have been cleaned up. But I haven't really tested it by cutting piece by piece. So looking at it, it looks all right. I mean, it's not the cleanest weld. This is half a nail. The other half just melted and flew right off. But yeah, it's a bunch of practical, lots of spatter, a couple shitty beads that also need to be cleaned up. But yeah, I'm gonna try like overlapping welds and stuff like that, just something to practice with. And with that, I could actually make my car quieter, because I think it is way too loud right now. As much as I like it that loud, I kind of want it just a little bit down, So I was thinking, instead of wasting so much money, the original plan was to do an LS VTEC swap, and I was gonna do that, but I thought, since it's so much money, because I'd have to take it to the machine shop for it to get decked, resurfaced, all that kind of stuff, port matched, all that, I thought, fuck it, let's just put it in as is, so I spend the least money as possible, and it works. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up. Previous owner told me it might need a valve adjustment. I could look into that. That's no problem. But other than that, I think I'm just gonna put it in the way it is. I will see a difference, and I know I will see a difference, because it will be a bit more powerful, especially since the D16 is so old, and it's even the Y7, so it's non-VTEC as well. But yeah, I think I don't want to spend too much. What I have is all right. I even got a K-Tune short shifter right here. I can barely see that, but it's there with the shift linkage. And I already do need to buy axles too, so there's already a few things I need to buy. So I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna put it in sort of as is. I don't think we're gonna rebuild it like the original plan was. My next build will 100% be sort of like a full sort of rebuild, hopefully. Not 100%, I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't make any promises, but it'll be something I want to do eventually, and I will 100% have it on YouTube. But other than that, I think the car's gonna work out great. I just want it to be, I want my first swap to be something something super simple. I don't need to go too in depth with it. I just want to clean it all up, do all the necessary things I need to do, and put it in the car with the new ECU and have it run, you know, have it actually working. So that's that. That's my plan with it. It's not going to be super race car, unfortunately. I also have a question for everyone watching. What color would you like to see the valve cover? I was thinking like a yellow, but the car's red. I could do red. I could just do black. I could even do white. I don't know, but I kind of want to hear everyone else's opinions just in case, you know, maybe someone throw out a good idea and I could use it. But I don't know. That's just a quick question. If you wanna shoot me what you would do, just put it down in the comment section. It'd be fun to sort of look at it, even though I don't get much comments, but it'd be fun to look at it really. And who knows if it's a color that someone suggested. I don't know. I could shout them out to everyone who follows me and stuff, but like it won't be much. I don't know, but I do know that this engine will be in there eventually. I kind of hate that it's sitting here, but I have been doing progress on the tranny. It has been taken off and completely done. I'm waiting on a clutch, and then as soon as, you know, the clutch is on, I can really do my old pound gasket, take a look at the head. I was gonna put it on the stand, but I thought, you know what, fuck it, I don't need to put it on the stand. I'm not gonna rebuild it completely. Maybe the next engine I will, and I'll start with just a block, and then I could sort of like build it up piece by piece, kind of like Legos, something like that. Maybe, who knows. I'm just sort of rambling on. I hope the footage does look better. Let me get in the light. Does it look better? Am I looking fly? Nah. But yeah, I got a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for a couple washers and stuff so I could get the sub hooked up. I also want to do my lower control arms. I don't know if I'll do it today. I should, to be honest, but I'm being a fucking bitch. But yeah, I might do the LCAs today. If my hood popped, I'd probably do my steering wheel. I do have a steering wheel. It's just sort of chilling. I could do that as well, but then again, I sort of want to disconnect the negative before I even try that, just in case, like, there's been stories of people who just sort of take off their stock steering wheel and then the airbag just blows right in their face. So I'm not trying to catch an airbag to the face, you know? So that's that. I don't know, I'm just sort of rambling on here. This is my first time sort of like, you know, vlogging in a 1-2. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for a couple washers and stuff so I could put the ground in, and hopefully I could just sort of plug and play everything else. It shouldn't be too difficult, but yeah, we'll see what else we got. All right, so I think I plugged everything in. These I might need to switch over, but I'm pretty sure this is the positive. This connects to the radio. This is my makeshift ground. I've been told that it might be too thin, but I thought, fuck it, I already made it, so I might as well try it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So yeah, let me just not make it too strong, I guess. This is for the lights. I guess we'll just turn the car on and see. Oh, moment of truth. Okay, so we have power. Let's close the trunk and see how it sounds. Alright, so I'm connecting the Bluetooth now. I'll just play a random song. Maybe I should close the door. My radio's saying some neck shit. Never fucking seen that before. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay. This sounds different. I don't know why I'm playing this track. This is just an old ass track. Jeez, bumping the D-ring. Oh, this is a banger. Yo, I think it does sound different though. Let me try a different track. Doesn't sound much different. Let me actually go to the back and see. Okay, so it fucking works. It does have power. I wonder why it doesn't work. So I'm back here. Huh, that's interesting. I'm gonna see if I can figure this out. All right. So it works, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. Yeah, it works. I got it working. So all I have to do is move the ground around and move the power cable to the battery, and it works no problem now. Yeah, it works. Yeah, it's good. Okay, I'm excited. Got something done today. I'm gonna see if I could tackle those lower control arms today, and if I do, then it's gonna be a good day. So I'm just gonna chill in the whip and listen to a few tracks, make sure the ground isn't like getting hot or anything, and yeah, I'm just gonna listen to some music and see how it sounds. It definitely won't be as strong or as good as my daily, but I'm happy. The sub was fairly cheap. Respects to my boy Richard. He's also the one who helped me with the B20, so big shout out to him. But yeah, the speaker's blessed. You better keep it heat, you better play it smart. It's proper. I have no issues. I think it's good.